Hi, I'm Anib,
Hi, I'm Cameron.
and in this video we will be demonstrating our augmented reality map.
It's a proof of concept for an augmented reality map that highlights prominent landmarks in a country. We decided to choose Italy due to its abundance of landmarks that have thankfully survived through the various events throughout history. This proof of concept has a jigsaw base, which would allow it to be combined with other maps to offer a more expansive experience, where users can interact with and learn about landmarks in other countries.
Our target demographic is students ranging roughly between the ages of 12 to 15 who are studying geography and/or history. If this project were to go further, however, a more extensive and detailed model could be used for exhibitions in museums to facilitate the learning process.
Well, for the students who fall within our target demographic, history and geography are often considered to be some of the most bland subjects that they have to study. Our goal with this proof of concept is to ultimately design a product that will facilitate learning for both students and teachers alike. It is quite challenging to teach subject matter that is usually perceived as very dry and theory oriented. This product would hopefully help in that process. With the rapid growth and expansion of technology, it is necessary to update classrooms and teaching methods to keep up with new modes of teaching, moving away from archaic textbooks and to a more interactive medium of learning. It is a much more financially feasible option, as instead of various individual materials for each student, multiple students can use one map simultaneously. This allows schools with limited funds to provide the same standard of education to all of their students. Just because they all share the same map doesn't mean that they have to try and keep up with the class, as they will still have the option to go at their own pace. In addition, it would help conserve space, as it has no external or detachable components beyond the student's own mobile devices.
The main technology at the heart of our creation is augmented reality, which was implemented through Vuforia, an augmented reality engine that is built into the Unity game engine. The map was drawn by hand and comprised of colored cardboard layers on top of a rubber jigsaw mat. The physical image targets were hand-drawn icons that were glued on top of the map base relative to the landmark's actual location. The digital 3D models were made using Autodesk Maya, a 3D modeling software. The entire augmented reality aspect of the project was put together in the Unity game engine, including the components of the Vuforia database. And the mobile app was made using Unity and exported as a .apk file ready to be installed on an Android device. And now, moving on to our demonstration. Now we're going to fire up the app. And here is a full 360-degree view of our map. And if you zoom in, you can see the model with the video.
The Colosseum was first built between 70 to 80 AD as an amphitheatre in the middle of Rome. It was the largest amphitheatre at its time.
If you move away and then move back,
hold approximately 50 to 80,000 spectators, and
you can see that it resumes from where you left off. Moving on to the next landmark.
Volcano located in Campania's Gulf of Naples. It is most famous for its eruption in 79 AD, where it destroyed the Roman city of Pompeii along with other.
Moving on to the Pantheon.
The Pantheon is a church located in Rome that was originally used as a Roman temple. It was built on the base of an older temple that.
Ponte Vecchio.
The Ponte Vecchio is a segmental arch bridge located over the Arno River in Florence, with it sitting between two neighbouring bridges, the Ponte Santa Trinita.
The Leaning Tower of Pisa.
The Leaning Tower of Pisa, most accurately referred to as the Campanile, was first devised in 1172, where it was designed.
And last but not least, Florence Cathedral.
The Florence Cathedral is, as the name implies, the Cathedral of Florence that was formerly known in English as Cathedral of St. Mary of the Flower.
And that's it for our demonstration.